Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Easy Cooking and Life d9u. Today I am going to share a very delicious famous actor Farah Khan Chicken Yakhni Pulao recipe. This is so famous and this is so delicious, aromatic and very easy to make at home. So let's start the recipe. First take two onions and slice them thinly. Then take some green chillies and cut them into pieces. After that we will take a pressure cooker and add a little more oil than usual. 1 teaspoon cumin seeds and those green chilies and these onion. Fry it lightly, don't fry it too much or until golden or light brown. No need to do more fry and add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Just lightly fry it. We will add here half kg of chicken and 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, and according to your taste we will add salt and just lightly mix it and close the lid. For whistles we will take here 2 whistles. After 2 whistles carefully open the lid. As you can see here, there is some delicious chicken stock and moisture in the cooker. Fry the chicken for a little while so that all those flavors come together. Now it's time to add the rice. I am using pulao rice which I have washed very well 3 to 4 times. Drain the rice properly and add directly to the cooker. Next, add some potatoes which I have already washed, peeled and cut into pieces. Give everything a very gentle mix. Be careful not to break the rice. And now comes one of the special part of this pulao curd. Add the curd mixture to the cooker. I have mixed a little water. In that curd only, no need to add a lot of extra water. This pulao will cook only with that curd water. Add some chopped coriander and mint leaves. Mix it once. Then close the pressure cooker lid and let it cook for 4 whistles in total as per this method. Once the 4 whistles are completed, allow the pressure to release naturally before opening the cooker. And now it's open it. Wow, just look at this pulao. The aroma is absolutely amazing. The rice is perfectly cooked and you can see that the rice are nicely puffed and separated from the each other. The chicken is tender, the potatoes are perfectly cooked and all the flavors have come together. Definitely you should try this chicken yakhni pulao with Farah Khan style of method. If you like this recipe, so please like, share and subscribe to my channel.